Welcome, family. I am collabing today with the sweet and creative Miss Petal. It's blessed. This is our Glam Revamp collaboration. Right now, you are getting a glimpse at all the fabulous work that Miss Petal does. It is so beautiful how she comes up with all these nice creations. I love watching her. She is such a creative soul and so sweet and kind-hearted. Miss Petal also has a beautiful vlog channel where she is just telling you about her day-to-day life. Miss Petal shares with you her personal walk with lung disease. She brings you into her home. She makes you feel like family as she takes you through a day-to-day process of what she does in a day. So I love watching Petal's Corner. Make sure you subscribe to both of her channels. Show her some love. Her links will be in my description box. So don't forget, Petal is blessed and Petal's Corner. Let's hop into this DIY, everybody. This particular DIY, we had to choose a piece in our home to revamp. And this particular piece I used for a tablescape a few weeks ago. I'm gonna say less than a month ago, and I had it on a tablescape. So I'm gonna also have that video linked above. And also I wanted to bring some more life to this piece because it was just plain when I first did it. I didn't really do a lot to it, and I used it for a tablescape. Now I'm going to take some of my diamond wrap and I'm going to cut them into thin strips. I'm going to cut a few pieces. Now I'm going to take that diamond wrap and I'm going to take that strip and hot glue it along the bottom of my jar. I will have all items linked in my description box that I use for this DIY. Now I'm finished with all of my bling wrap. Now I'm going to use some Mod Podge on the inside just to take it up a notch. I want to add a little bit more bling to this particular piece. So I'm painting the inside, not the whole inside, but just the upper part of the jar itself with some Mod Podge. So I'm going to go all the way around with the thin layer. Now the Mod Podge is applied. Now it's time for my favorite part, which is the glitter. So we're going to add silver fine glitter around the area that I Mod Podge. We're going to put one good coat all the way around. I just wanted to give this jar a good bling effect, and I knew by adding some fine glitter on the inside, it would give me the effect that I wanted. Now the white that you see, it will dry. So what I'm going to do after I apply the glitter, let it dry for a few hours until you can no longer see any of the white Mod Podge through the fine glitter. Once the first coat of Mod Podge dry, then you can apply a second coat of Mod Podge. Now I am going to apply this stunning jewel. It is so beautiful. I'm going to use hot glue to apply mine. Sometimes I use E6000 glue, depending on what type of craft or DIY that I'm doing. But today I'm just going to use my hot glue gun. But feel free to use E6000 if you like. This revamp is complete, everyone. It looks so beautiful. I love the turnout. I love the sparkle, the bling, everything about this revamp I love so much. I took a regular jar that I would use for my table scapes and I took it to the next level. It is so beautiful and elegant. You can use it for anything you like. You would like to use it for a centerpiece. If you would like to use it for your kitchen, your bathroom, living room, I just love how it turned out. The stand that it's sitting on, I also did that in the past as a DIY, and it looks so good with that. I paired it up with that today, and it's so gorgeous. I love it, everything about it. Okay, I wanted to give you one more decorative setup of my revamp. I decided to pair it with another DIY from the past, and it looks so good. The mat that the vase is sitting on is also a DIY that I did, and it looks so good. This is a way you can set it up for a wedding. This is a way you can set it up for your dining room table or a coffee table. Any style of your choice, just have fun, be creative, but it looks so good. I had to try it another way, and it looks pretty any way that I put it. Thank you all so much for tuning in to my Glam Revamp collaboration with Miss Petalisbless. Make sure you subscribe to both of her channels, Petalisbless and Petal's Corner. All the links will be in my description box. She is such a sweet person, and I love what she does. And please show love and let her know that Uniquely Tay sent you.